Good morning class. Today we are going to start our second chapter, exponent. As you all know, if we write 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 4 times, then we can write it like 2 की power 4, 2 raised to the power 4, 2 raised to the power 4. Here 2 is base and 4 is exponent or power. 2 is base and 4 is exponent or power. There are some laws in exponents. Now we will learn about those laws. Now there are some laws of exponent for solving the problems. First is, if a की power m है multiply by a की power n है, if base are same then power will be added. If base are same then power will be added in multiplication. Now if a to the power m is divided by a to the power m is divided by a to the power n, then power will be subtracted. If base are same then power will be subtracted in case of division. Now third is, if a to the power m bracket n, if this is a question, अगर a की power n है और bracket के बाहर n है, power will be multiplied. Power will be multiplied. And in D law, last law, if a upon b to the power n है, if a upon b to the power n है, तो a पे भी पावर आ जाएगा और b पे भी पावर आ जाएगा. a के ऊपर भी पावर आ जाएगा अलग से, b के ऊपर भी पावर अलग से आ जाएगा. Okay, these are some laws and now we will do question based on these laws. In first question, we have to express minus 2 to the power 5 in rational number. Minus 2 to the 5 in rational number. So simply we have to expand it. We have to write minus 2 5 times. 5 times we are writing. Now we will multiply minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 5 times. Answer will be 32. Answer will be 32. And what about minus sign? Minus minus plus, plus minus minus, minus minus plus, plus minus minus. Minus 32 will be the answer. If we multiply minus number odd times, then minus will come. If we multiply minus number positive times, then we'll get plus. Then we will get plus. In question number second, we have to find multiplicative inverse. We have to find multiplicative inverse. 7 to the power 2. 7 to the power 2, we have to find its multiplicative inverse. For finding the multiplicative inverse of 7 to the power minus 2, we have to, minus sign will become reverse. Minus sign will make the digits reverse. So we will write 7 to the minus power 2 will be 1 upon 7 to the power 2. Answer will be 1 upon 49. And the multiplicative inverse of 1 upon 49 will be 49. Multiplicative inverse of 1 upon 49 will be 49. Remaining parts of question number 1 and 2 you have to do yourself. Now we will be starting question number 3. In question number 3 you have to prove 3 upon 5 to the power minus 1 minus 1 upon 3 to the power minus 1 whole power minus 1 will be equal to minus 3 upon 4. You have to prove this, that left hand side is equal to right hand side. So we are starting from left hand side. We are solving left hand side. 3 upon 5 to the power minus 1 1 upon 3 to the power minus 1 whole power minus 1. 3 upon 5 to the power minus 1 will become reverse. This will become 5 upon 3. Minus power remains, minus power will reverse the digits. 1 upon 3 to the power minus 1, same will be the case with this. Minus power reverses the digit. Minus power digit को reverse कर देता है. Minus 1. We have to take LCM. Then we have to solve it inside the bracket first. Minus 4 by 3 to the power minus 1. So we have to again reverse the digits. Minus 3 by 4. Minus 3 by 4. ये इसका ये सॉल्यूशन, इसका ये सॉल्यूशन आया है और वी कैन सी दिस इज इक्वल टू राइट हैंड साइड. वी हैव टू प्रूव लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इज इक्वल टू राइट हैंड साइड. वी हैव प्रूव इट. Now in question number 4, you have to tell by what number should minus 36 to the power minus 1 it should be divided so that the quotient will be 9 to the power minus 1. Quotient will be 9 to the power minus 1. By what number? So that it will become 9 to the power minus 1. So we will dividing, we have to find by what number should minus 36 to the power minus divided. So we take the number x. We have to find x. Minus 36 to the power minus 1 will become 1 upon minus 36. As I have told you earlier, minus sign will reverse the digits. Minus power will reverse the digits. Multiply by 1 upon x. Divide will become multiply. And this will become 1 upon 9. This will become 1 upon 9. Now we will cross multiply. 9 comes in the numerator position and x will go in the numerator position there. Now we have to solve it. 9 ones are 9 fours are. Answer will be 1 upon 4. So we have to divide minus 36 to the power minus 1 by 4. Then the quotient will be 9 to the power minus 1. Now in question number 5, you have to find by what number should minus 6 to the power minus 1 be multiplied so that the product is 27 to the power minus 1. In 6th question, you have to find minus 6 to the power minus 1 will be multiplied by which number. We have taken x. So that the product will become 27 to the power minus x. Minus 6 to the power minus 1 will become 1 upon minus 6 and 27 to the power minus 1 will become 1 upon 27. Again we will cross multiply. X will remain here. Minus 6 goes in the numerator upon 27. Answer will be 3 2s are 3 9s are. Answer will be minus 2 upon 9. Okay. In 6th question, you have to simplify this. Again, 3 to the power minus 1 will become 1 upon 3. 3 to the power minus 2 will become 1 upon 3 to the power 2. Divide remains divide. 3 upon minus 3 to the power will become 1 upon 3 to the power 3. 1 upon 3 multiply by 1 upon 9, divide will become multiply and 3 will go in the numerator position. 3 times. 1 upon 3, 1 upon 9, 3 we write 3 times. Now we cancel out. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9, 3 ones are 3. Answer will be 1. Rest part you have to do it yourself. Now in 7th question, you have to put values and then find the answer. 162. A will be minus 2. We have already minus here. It will become plus 2 to the power minus 1. For B we use 3 and minus 3 will be the power. 162. 2 to the power minus 1 will become 1 upon 2. 3 to the power minus 3 will become 1 upon 3 to the power 3. 162, 1 upon 2, 1 upon 27. 2 8s are 2 1s are. Now we will cut 81 and 27 by 3. 3 9s are 27, 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21. 9 3s are 27. Answer will be 3. Rest part you have to do it yourself. We have completed the exercise 2.1 and in the next class we will going to start exercise 2.2.